Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a referral letter. The referral letter is used by a practitioner to refer the patient to another medical practitioner or specialist for additional observations. From the diary screen, click on the desired booking to open the diary sidebar. The diary sidebar will open. Click on the clinical button on the diary sidebar. The clinical screen will open. Click on the Forms Library drop-down menu on the clinical sidebar. The Forms Library drop-down list will open. Click on the Referral Letter form option. The referral letter will now open. Please note that the referral letter form will now be placed under the active forms in the clinical sidebar. The referral letter contains various fields which allows the practitioner to easily fill in the required information for the referral practitioner or specialist. The following information can be found within the referral letter. Date of referral. This is the date the practitioner referred the patient to another medical practitioner or specialist. The referring note field is where the user types in the reason for referral, as well as any specific information that the practitioner writing the referral would like the specialist or medical practitioner to know. Patient at the practice since refers to the first date from which the patient has been seeing the practitioner making the referral. Doctor signature is the signature of the referring practitioner. For more information regarding this function, please refer to the How to Add a Doctor Signature user manual in this video's description. Diagnosis is where the referring practitioner will write down the identification of the nature of the patient's illness or problems by examination of their symptoms to the referred practitioner. If the user ticks this box, the following details will appear. Chronic diagnosis. If the patient has a chronic condition or symptoms that are persistent or otherwise long-lasting in their effects, the practitioner will note it here for the referring practitioner. Previous diagnosis is if the practitioner previously diagnosed the patient with any medical conditions. It will be noted here for the referring practitioner. Reason for referral. The practitioner will send the patient to a specialist or authority that is more highly qualified to handle their medical matters. The practitioner will fill in the reason for the referral here as to why the patient needs to see the specialist. Specialist details is the details of the specialist that the patient gets referred to. If the user ticks this box, the following details will appear. Name is the name of the specialist. Practice number is the practice number of the specialist. Address is the address where the practice is located. Appointment details refers to the date, time and location, rooms or hospital for when the appointment has been scheduled. Once all the necessary information has been completed on the referral letter form, click on the Complete button to save any changes. Once clicked, the Complete button will turn green. Please note that no changes can be made to the form when the Complete button is green. To make any changes, please click on the Complete button again to deselect it. The form will once again accept changes. Click on Close to return to the diary screen without saving. Click on Save and Close to save any changes and return to the diary screen. The completed referral letter can be accessed by clicking on the Clinical History button on the diary sidebar. The Clinical History screen will open. Click on the Referral Letter panel to expand it and view the information. From the Clinical History screen, the completed referral letter can be viewed, emailed, deleted, etc. Click on Close to return to the diary screen without saving. Click on the Save and Close button to save any changes and return to the diary screen.